welcome to Gurudeva e-learning class. My dear students, as you know all, we were discussing and learning about the transport and communication, isn't it? So in the previous class we learned about the communication. What is the communication? What are the different methods we are using to convey the informations or else to tell the our feelings, thoughts, whatever the message we have that we want to convey to peoples or our parents or our friends. It means we are using the different methods, right? So about that we learned about that in the previous class. So this is the time for revise the previous class, what you have learnt in that. Okay, then tell me my dear, what is communication? Yes, you are right. Communication means sending and receiving the messages from one person to another is called communication, right? Okay, then tell me, what is means of communication, my dear? The various methods by which we communicate with the different peoples is called means of communication, my dear. In the means of communication, how many types are there? Yes, you are right. There are two types. First one is one-to-one communication. Second one is mass communication. About that, in today's class, we will learn in detail. Okay, before that, let's read the remaining lesson which we left in the last class. Okay, here, please open your textbook on page number 176. Okay, have you opened the textbook? Yes, come on, let's read the remaining lesson, my dear.
Nowadays, very few people communicate through letters as they are very slow and take days to reach. Mobile phones allow us to talk with the people and to send and receive messages. A telephone is the fastest means of communication during emergencies. Computers too can send and receive information from people in the different part of the world through internet connection. We can send emails or chat using the internet. Mass communication. Newspaper, television, books and radio are the means of mass communication. In mass communication, there is one sender and a large number of receivers with whom we communicate. Thus, it saves a lot of time. Radio and television are the most popular means of mass communication. They provide us lot of information. Newspapers are the cheapest means of mass communication. They tell us about the important day-to-day events happening around the world. Okay, my dear?
Okay, my dear students, now I am going to write the interesting words which are given in the textbook. So be ready with your pencil and also class workbook. Okay. Yes, my dear friends, let's read the interesting words. Yes, come on. Interesting words. The first one is THROUGH, true. Second one, EMERGENCIES, emergencies. Third one, INFORMATION, information. Fourth one, INTERNET, internet. Fifth one, CONNECTION, connection. Sixth one, EMAILS, emails. Seventh one, NEWSPAPER, newspaper. Eighth one, TELEVISION, television. Ninth one, CHEAPEST, cheapest. So my dear, all these interesting words you must underline on your textbook and you must practice in your class workbook also. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the what is one-to-one communication, what is mass communication, what are the objects or what are the things are coming in these communications. Let's be learn in detail, my dear. Okay, my dear students, now we will learn about the different types of communications, my dear. Okay, already you knew communication means sending and receiving the messages from one person to another is called communication, right? So in that communication there are two types. First one is one-to-one communication, second one is mass communication. Do you know the meaning of one-to-one communication, my dear? Don't you know? Okay, let's learn that. So one-to-one communication, it means in this communication only there are two persons, they are one sender and one receiver. Okay, this one-to-one communication is going between the two persons. One is sender and second one is receiver. Okay, the communication between the one sender and one receiver is called one-to-one communication. In this communication, what are the things are using to communicate with the peoples? It means telephones, mobiles, letters, telegrams and computers. Okay, so these are the things are used to make the one-to-one communication, my dear. So telephones. These telephones are used in the our parents. When our parents are smaller, then we are using. But instead of the telephones, nowadays we are using the mobile phones. Okay, so this is a picture of telephones, my dear. This telephone is the fastest means of communication. Okay, telephone is the fastest means of communication because of when we dial the number, within a minute it is connecting to the people, isn't it? So when we are calling, at that time you are talking with me, right? So this type of communication is called a one-to-one communication. Understand? So when I am calling you, at that time you are talking with me, right? So this process is called a one-to-one communication, my dear. Next, already you knew the uses of the mobile phones. So that's why I am not elaborating that. Okay. So mobile phones are used for watch the online classes and to get the more information in the Google about the different concepts. Okay. So that's why I am not elaborating, I am not telling more information about that, my dear. So next we move on to the letters. Have you seen the letters, my dear? So my dear, this is a England letter. Okay, this letter name is England letter. Okay, these letters are used to send the message and receive the message, my dear. Okay, by this letter we are sending the messages to our family members, or as our friends, or as the other officers. Okay, so this is also help us to send and receive the information, message, or as our feelings, to exchange our thoughts. Okay, so when we are writing the letters, at the end what we are doing, it means we are stick the stamp. Okay, we are sticking the stamps, we are applying the stamps that later we are keeping in the post box. The postman come and collecting the letters and they bringing to our home. Okay, if the letter is for us, it means he is bringing to our home. The postman not only bringing the letters, even he is bringing the parcels and courier also. Have you seen the postman, my dear? Yes, very good. So postman bringing the letters, courier and parcels to our house, my dear. Okay, next telegrams. Have you seen the telegram machine? So this is the telegram machine, my dear. So when we want to send messages, any office or as any person, it means at the time we have to type that. Okay, if we type the letter, it means that message will reach that person within a 5 minutes. Okay, within a 5 minutes that message will reach to that particular person who want to we send the message, that person it is reaching by the telegram, my dear. Okay, next computers. So we are all have seen the computers, laptops, right? So this is also help us to the people. We are going to get the more uses by the computers. Do we want to do the problems? It means very easily we can solve that problems in the computer. We want to give presentations about the different concept. It means then also we are using the computers, right? So this computer also help us to watch the online classes, or else we want to get more information, more pictures about the related topics. It means it is also help us to, my dear. Okay, so this computer is help us to send and receive the emails. This computer is help us to send and receive the emails, my dear. Emails in the sense that is a letter. Okay, the message wants to be sent by the computer. It means that is called the emails. Okay, so we want to send the message by the mobile phones or as computers. It means it is need the internet connection. Okay, it is need the internet connection, my dear. And by the mobile phones and computers, we can send the message through the world. Okay, through the world. Around the world we can send that message. But it is need the internet connection or data connection, my dear. So, my dear, nowadays only very few people are using the letters, who are very slow, who are to text to reach the information. They only using the letters. Okay, never everyone are using the mobile phones and computers, laptops, my dear. Okay, so mobile phone is allowed to communicate with the peoples and send and receive the messages. For example, we are sending the messages, we are sending the videos through the WhatsApp, right? So like that, it is help us to send and receive the messages. It is help us to communicate with the people, my dear. So already I told you, telephone is the fastest means of communication. Okay, through the computer we can send the message to different part of a people in the world through the internet connection. Okay, so computer ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಬಹುದು, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. If there is no internet connection, if there is no data connection in the mobile phones or in the computer, it means we are not getting any information. Understand? Through the internet connection only we can send the messages, we can send the we can receive the message by the different part of the people in the world. Not only in our state, not only in our country, even throughout the world, my dear. Understand? We can send the emails and we can chat in the chat box with the internet connection, my dear. So this is the brief information about the one-to-one communication. Next we move on to the mass communication. Mass communication in the sense, here we can see only one sender and a large number of receivers. Okay, here sender is one, but receiving peoples are large number, many more number, lakhs of peoples are receiving that messages. That is called mass communication. Okay, one sender and a large number of receivers is there, means that is called mass communication. Okay, so what are the things are coming in that? Means newspaper, television, books and radio. So these are the object, or these are the things are coming in the mass communication, my dear. So for example, newspaper. This is the cheapest means of communication. Okay, the newspaper is published by the only one person. For example, Vijay Karnataka or Samyukta Karnataka, Udayavani, Prajavani, like that newspapers are there, right? That Vijay Karnataka paper will sent by the Vijay Sankeshwar publishers, right? Vijay Karnataka publishers. So newspaper is sent by the Vijay Karnataka publishers, but that newspaper takes and reading people are they are in the large number. So by the newspaper we can get the information what is going on in our surroundings. Not only in our surrounding, our state, our country, all over the world is happening in the all over the world. That information we are get by the newspaper, my dear. Okay, television. See, in the television we are watching the movies, we are watching the series, right? So that serial is published by the only one channel, but that serial is watched by the many more people. Isn't it? Like that, my dear. And books. Come to the books, it means the book will be published by the author itself. But for children and reading people are many more. For example, take your textbook itself. Your textbook is published by the Nine Hats company, right? That book is published by the Nine Hats. But that purchased and learning students are many more. Is it?
Radio is one of the popular mass communication, my dear. By this radio we can't see anything, but we can listen everything. Okay, just we are hearing the sound what the programs are broadcasting, that we are listening. So this is also one of the popular mass communication, my dear. By this radio we can get more information. For example, news also coming, and more educational programs also coming. For example, Banuli, like that programs, and Rasamanjari programs also coming. All the programs are attracting the peoples, okay, by the what a sound. Understand? So this is also one of the popular mass communication, my dear. So this is the brief information about the mass communication. My dear students, I hope you understood these two different types of communication. So I hope you understood what we discussed and what we learnt in today's class. So now we will going to do the textbook activity. So please open your textbook on page number 177. Classroom activity. Name the instrument. My dear students, here they given the some statement that we have to read and we have to write the related instrument. Okay, for example, first one is a phone which can be carried everywhere. Which phone we are carrying everywhere, my dear? Is it telephone or mobile phone? Yes, you are right. The answer is mobile. Okay, so that you have to write in the given space, my dear. Have you read the answer, my dear? Okay, so next one is it helps us to send and receive emails. Which instrument help us to receive and send the emails, my dear? Yes, you are obviously right. So the answer is computer. Have you read the answer, computer? Okay, fine. So next two statements you have to read and you have to write in your home itself. Okay, so next we move on to the what did you learn. The first main is complete the analogy. So analogy, it means in the question there are three words. Okay, first two words are related to the each other, and for third word we have to find the answer, my dear. That is called analogy. Okay, for your understanding I will solve the first one. Taxi, road, aeroplane, dash. So taxi, where it can be run, my dear? Yes, you are right. It is running on the road. Like that, aeroplane, where it can be flies? Yes, you are right. In the air itself, right? So we have to write the answer air here. Okay.
So my dear students, have you read the answer here? Okay, for your better understanding, I will solve the third one. Okay, third question is passenger train. So it carries the people, right? Passenger train is carries the people. In the same way, goods train, what it is carries from one place to another? Yes, you're obviously right. It carries the goods, isn't it? So we have to write the answer carry goods here. Have you read the answer, my dear? Okay. So I hope you understood this main. Remaining questions you can solve in your home itself. The next main is answer the following questions. So this main also you can do in your home itself because of this is your homework. Okay. What are the questions we are leaving, that all also your homework, my dear, that you have to fill in your textbook. Okay. So next we move on to the third main, that is oh, there is a heavy traffic jam of around 10 vehicles here. Can you spot them? So my dear students, here there are 10 vehicles are there. They are stick in the traffic jam. Okay, heavy traffic jam. We have to find out the vehicles where they are stick in the traffic jam. Okay, so the first one, for your understanding, I will check the bullock cart where it is there. Okay. So my dear students, I search the vehicle bullock cart here. So like that you have to search remaining 9 vehicles where they are in the traffic jam. Okay, that you have to find out and you can make it a circle like this. Okay, so this is also your homework, my dear. The next main is, let us enjoy this 3 name game. Okay, here we can going to play the game. The game name is 3 name game, my dear. So what is this game? It means here they given the some statements, right? So for that statement we have to write the related 3 words. Okay, for example, first one is means of communication. So which are the instruments or things are recognizing as a means of communication, my dear? Anybody have guess? Yes, you are right. Your guessing is right, my dear. They are. So, my dear students, for your understanding, I complete the first one. See here, means of communication is going on by the telephone, mobile and computer, right? So, these 3 things are recognizing as a means of communication, my dear. For your better understanding, I will solve the fourth one. Educational programs broadcasted on radio. Which are the programs are broadcasting in the radio, that we have to write here. Okay. So my dear, which are the educational programs are broadcasting on radio? It means health awareness programs for related to the farmers. They are making the programs, and educational programs for children. For like a quiz, like that programs are running in the radio, my dear. So remaining you have to solve in your home itself. Next we move on to the workstation. So what they give in the workstation? It means collect and stick pictures of different means of transport used nowadays. Name them. So which are the different vehicles or different means of transport we are using to reach one place to another, that we have to that pictures we have to collect and we can stick in the our scrapbook. Okay, and we have to name them. This work also you can do in your home itself, my dear. I hope you completed the textbook activity. Who are not completed, you must complete that textbook. Okay, complete that textbook activity, and without missing you can send the photocopy to me. Okay, so and you please practice whatever the concept we discussed today and yesterday classes, that you have to practice in your home itself, my dear. We will meet in the next class with a new chapter. Until, keep reading, keep practice. Have a nice day. Bye bye.